Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to talk about how to create drill down in Tableau. And in Tableau, it's called hierarchy and not drill downs like in ClickSense. So, super simple. This is what you do. So, we have our data here, and we have category name, and we have products. So, products come under category names. And let's use sales as our measure here. Um, so as you can see, we have category name and product, but we want to use that as a drill down. So we don't actually want to see all the products under all the categories all the time. So we just want to drill it down. So what we could do is Tableau is quite smart. For in a lot of cases, it actually recognizes that these two belong under one particular dimension. So it's a hierarchy, and it creates a hierarchy automatically. So you see, this is a symbol that signifies that it's a hierarchy. But if you have other dimensions that you want them to actually be a hierarchy and they're not, all you could do is just, so I want product to be under category name. So I just click on product, drag it, and you see a plus sign there. So just drop it under category, and it asks you create hierarchy, and I'm just gonna give it a name. Let's say product drill down, and now a drill down has been created, or a hierarchy has been created. So we're going to take that and put it here. We don't need this anymore, and we don't need this anymore. And now if you click on plus, you see that all the products are seen, but otherwise you just see the high level. So let's make this way. Let's take the product drill down and put it into color so that each of them has, and now you see that each of the categories has one particular color. So this is how you do a drill down. There's another way by using parameters, which is also kind of interesting, and there's going to be another video on that. So super simple. Hope you liked it, and I hope it helps you. So have a good one. Peace.